Have you ever wondered if the way you pray could unlock a world of abundance and manifestation beyond your wildest dreams? Are your prayers merely words, or do they possess the power to shape your destiny? Joseph Murphy's groundbreaking teachings offer the key to a life where your deepest desires can become your reality. If you've ever felt the tug of untapped potential or yearned for a life of limitless abundance, this video is your pathway to an extraordinary transformation. Get ready to explore the incredible potential of your prayers and unlock a future filled with boundless possibilities. In this video, I will show you how to pray correctly to manifest whatever you desire in life. And for those eager to explore the profound influence of prayer and affirmations, remember to subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll always be in the loop, never missing out on the transformative insights that can reshape your life. Joseph Murphy's teachings emphasize that prayer and affirmations are not designed to change the divine, but to align ourselves with the eternal truths of harmony and love. These qualities are inherent in God and exist within us. By claiming God's peace and harmony, we bring these qualities to life in all aspects of our lives. The gifts of life, like the Earth's resources, have always been there, and it's our belief in a guiding principle that enables us to access them. Therefore, we should focus on transforming our minds to overcome limitations and align our thoughts with truth, enabling us to realize the abundance within us and shape our destiny. Murphy believed in the power of the subconscious mind, which shapes our beliefs, thoughts, and actions. He asserted, "Your subconscious accepts what you believe." This principle suggests that our inner beliefs manifest in our external reality. Recognizing that we are part of a grand design created by an invisible spirit helps us tap into an eternal source of supply. To manifest abundance, we must first discard beliefs in lack and scarcity and affirm our faith in God as the source of our supply. By doing so, we start to see tangible results growing spiritually, mentally, materially, and in other aspects. To solidify this belief into reality, it's essential to be assertive in our desires and proactive in our pursuits. We must confidently claim our wishes and diligently work towards their manifestation. In seeking fulfillment, turning to God as an inexhaustible source is crucial. Our focus should be on the positive aspects of our lives, trusting that our spiritual and material needs will be met. Prayer serves as a profound connection to a higher power, opening us to the limitless possibilities of the universe. The cornerstone of successful manifestation lies in the unwavering belief that our desires are already within our grasp. This belief is not mere optimism, but a dynamic principle that activates our potential to attract and realize our goals. It's an active engagement with the forces of creation, where faith and action converge to turn our deepest desires into tangible experiences. Understanding and harnessing the power of the subconscious mind is pivotal in the journey of manifestation. The subconscious mind, akin to fertile soil, accepts and nurtures the seeds of our thoughts and affirmations. These seeds, once planted through persistent and persuasive affirmations, begin to take root, subtly reshaping our inner beliefs and, subsequently, our reality. The efficacy of affirmations hinges on their clarity and specificity. They must be direct reflections of our specific goals and desires, articulated in a manner that resonates deeply with our innermost aspirations. In essence, the laws of the mind are not just principles to be understood, but powerful tools to be actively employed. Through deliberate and consistent use of positive affirmations, coupled with an open heart and a spirit of gratitude, we can transform our inner landscape. This transformation, in turn, reflects outwardly, manifesting our desires and aspirations in the physical realm, thus bridging the gap between our dreams and our reality. Trusting in the process and maintaining faith in a higher power is foundational to the manifestation journey. This trust is not passive. It requires active engagement and a deep belief in the unseen workings of the universe. Recognizing that manifestation is a journey of co-creation with the divine, we must align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our deepest aspirations. This alignment is a delicate balance between doing and allowing, between effort and surrender. It's about taking intentional steps toward our goals while simultaneously releasing our grip on the need to control outcomes. This approach acknowledges that while we play a crucial role in manifesting our desires, there is also a divine timing at play, a cosmic orchestration beyond our immediate understanding. Patience becomes a virtue, not as idle waiting, but as an active state of anticipation and preparation for the blessings to unfold. The process of manifestation is akin to nurturing a seed. It requires time, care, and the right conditions to blossom. We must nurture our dreams with positive thoughts and consistent actions, all while maintaining a state of openness to receive. Moreover, a positive mindset is instrumental in this process. It involves cultivating a mindset that sees possibilities instead of obstacles and opportunities instead of challenges. This mindset is not about ignoring reality, but about choosing to view our circumstances through a lens of hope and potential. It's about believing in our inherent worthiness to receive the good we seek and maintaining a vibrational match to our desires. As we embark on this journey, our faith and perseverance become beacons, guiding us through the ebbs and flows of life and leading us closer to realizing our dreams and aspirations. In essence, the art of manifestation is a dance of divine partnership, where faith, effort, and a positive mindset converge to create a reality that resonates with our deepest desires and life's purpose. Now, let's get to the exact steps to the prayer and how exactly we can do it correctly. Since we are talking about the power of words and positive beliefs, while you are watching this video, write in the comments section, "I am proof enough of who I am and what I deserve." To practice effective prayer for manifestation, as advocated by Dr. Joseph Murphy, it's essential to create a conducive environment. Find a calm and quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Sit in a relaxed position and start by taking deep, soothing breaths to center your mind and ease your body into a state of relaxation. Begin your prayer by acknowledging the presence and abundance of a higher power, affirming your connection with this infinite source. Visualize your desired outcome vividly, imagining it in detail as if it has already happened. Feel the emotions, joy, gratitude, peace, associated with the realization of your desire. Frame your affirmations in the present tense, such as, "I am living in abundance," or "I am fulfilled and successful in my career." These affirmations should be specific, positive, and stated with conviction and unwavering faith in their truth. As you continue your prayer, focus on the feelings of gratitude. Thank the higher power for the blessings in your life and for those yet to come, as if they have already manifested. This sense of gratitude aligns your energy with the universe, enhancing the manifestation process. Conclude your prayer with a deep sense of trust, releasing your desires into the universe. Believe that the universe is orchestrating the fulfillment of your wishes in the perfect way and time. After your prayer, carry this trust and positive expectation throughout your day, reinforcing your belief that what you have prayed for is on its way to you. This method combines visualization, affirmation, gratitude, and trust, key elements in Murphy's teachings for manifesting desires. It's not just the act of asking that brings about manifestation, but the belief in the inevitability of its occurrence and the emotional alignment with the desired outcome. Embrace the wisdom of Dr. Murphy. Let prayer be your powerful conduit to the universe. With faith, affirmations, and gratitude, you're not just hoping for miracles, you're actively creating them. Your journey of manifestation begins now, unlocking endless possibilities for a life abundant in joy and fulfillment. See you in the next video.